Okay, let's continue. Other than very simple conventional sintering, there are some other so-called additional sintering practice. The first one is called pressure sintering or pressure-assisted sintering. Okay, and the simplest one is people call HP for hot pressing, which is very simple. You press while at the same time you heat to maintain the so-called hotness. A related technique people call HIP or hot isostatic pricing, which means the pressure not only coming from one axis, it's coming from all directions, like immersed in a fluid. Okay, hot isostatic pricing. It's an evolution from hot pricing. And another one people call Sinter forging. Forging is a metal working technique. When the metal is hot, you hammering it. That's called forging to change its shape. And sinter forging is something related to that. Not exactly hammering, but you are applying pressure, okay, to change its shape. Another category of alternative sintering technique called electrically assisted sintering. Now you are using electrical field to help sintering process. One is so-called microwave sintering. Microwave, we can use them for heating cooking, but you can use them to heat ceramics for sintering. A second type called plasma sintering, or sometimes people call spark plasma sintering, or SPS. Getting common and common nowadays, SPS. And another one people call flash sintering, FS, flash sintering, which means sintering very, very quickly with the help of electrical field or essentially current.